The weather outside is frightful, but customization too is so delightful. I'm Amanda, and I'm sharing a closer look into all your customization too choices in our winter box. Make sure you stick around till the end because I have a code to help you save some money on your box. You may also see an Easter egg that hasn't been revealed yet, so comment down below if you notice it. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and like this video if you want to see more spoilers. Okay, let's get started. First up, we have the Poquetto glass candlestick holders in a set of 2. I love the tinted glass trend. Many of our members love the Our Place glassware, and this item is applying the same trend to the core. These are hand blown, they feel really nice and lightweight. Personally, I would leave these out for a pop of color in my home decor, but you could also use them for your tablescape when entertaining for the holidays. Next up, we have the Citrine Atlas cocktail glasses in a set of 2. This is a good glassware item to add to your collection, but you can buy multiples in additional choice. I would definitely do that and collect a set of 6. I would use these as everyday glasses. They feel like an elevated basic, but they'll also be great for cocktails or mocktails when entertaining. I personally love to scroll through Pinterest to find some cute drinks, and I definitely put a cute little rim on these, maybe add a candy cane. They're 10 ounces in size and they're dishwasher safe. All right, next up we have our Nars AirMatte Lip Colors in 5 different shades. I am a huge beauty lover, and I could not be more excited to have one of my favorite brands, Nars, to choose from in customization. It's so nice that we're offering 5 different shades because you can really select what suits you and your skin tone best. This is a really innovative formula made with Cloud Diffusion Complex. We all know matte lipsticks at times can feel very uncomfortable, but this one has a great texture and it's very long wearing. You can really build up the coverage from sheer to full. One of my favorite things is the applicator. It makes it really easy to apply without a lip liner and be super precise. My favorite shade has got to be Shag, but you really can't go wrong with any of them. I'm super excited about this next item. This is the Cake Stand by SusieCakes. SusieCakes is a very popular bakery in LA, which was actually founded in my neighborhood, which I think is so cute. They have since grown to many locations in California and Texas, and if you want to try for yourself, they ship all over the US. This cake stand is in their signature Susie blue color. It is perfect for a 9-inch cake or several cupcakes. It has a really cute detail on the side, feels nice and sturdy. I am a big birthday person, big Libra energy, so I'm excited to use it for birthday displays, and it will also come in really handy during the holiday time. This is the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum, which is a mouthful, but this is another product near and dear to my heart. As a blonde, I have been on a journey with my hair health, and I have learned to prioritize a good routine, and a hair serum is an absolute must-have. This serum is a great first step in your styling routine to apply on damp hair, working from ends to roots. I always want to keep my hair feeling soft, and Olaplex is one of the most prestigious hair care brands on the market and paved the way for a completely new category of hair care called bond building. It works on all hair types, hair textures. We first feature them in our summer box and are thrilled to bring them back. This next item is a product I'm really excited to gift to my friends, so if you're my best friend Ari, look away. These are the Louisa Toda mini earrings. They're dainty hoops, which is my favorite type of earring. I have 3 ear piercings myself, and I love a good jewelry stack. These are 14 karat gold tone on brass. They include cute little cubic zirconia stones and have unplated titanium posts. This brand is brand new to box. It is beloved in our sales, and they specialize in this type of dainty jewelry. I love this brand because it's focused on creating earth-friendly jewelry that lasts. Our next beauty product is the ELEMIS Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. ELEMIS is one of our member favorite brands, so we're so excited to bring it back. This eye cream will help you improve the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. It is formulated with Peptide 4, which provides hydration of a moisturizer with the protection of an oil to reveal brighter, firmer eyes that look well rested. Last but not least, this is good under makeup and in your skincare routine to really hydrate those under eyes. Last up, we have the Macy Blackwell cheese knives. We have partnered with the charcuterie board queen herself, Macy Blackwell, to develop these really cute cheese knives. They're stainless steel and they really fit my aesthetic because I love a gold finish. The set includes 3 knives. The first one is a fork tip knife, which I just learned because I'm not a cook. It is great for hard cheeses and the tip is useful for serving. Then we have the tear-shaped knife, which is great for soft cheese And lastly, the wide blade, which is great for semi-hard cheese. These will come in super handy for all the wine and cheese nights that I have planned with my friends for the holiday season. And that's it for customization number 2. Here's the code that I promised you. Let me know what you think the Easter egg is in the comments below. See you next season!